Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your little mini app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for little mini app, or just click on search here. So then here at it'll mirror, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, and here you search for it'll mirror here, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.